Commercial auto insurance quote information. Are you a business owner looking to secure commercial auto insurance? Wondering what information you're going to need to get a quote? Then this video is for you. Let's guide you through the process. Getting the right coverage starts with providing detailed information about your business, vehicles, and drivers. We start with your business name and address to verify your operation's legal identity and location, which is crucial for assessing the regional risks. Your FEIN number, or Federal Employer Identification Number, confirms your business's legal status and helps with your identity verification. Knowing what your business does allows us to assess industry-specific risks, tailoring your coverage accordingly. The longer you've been operating, the more stability you demonstrate, which can positively affect your premiums. Understanding who owns and controls the business helps us customize your liability coverage. Your past claims give insight into potential future risk influencing your insurance rate. Next, when it comes to the vehicles, each detailed from the vehicle identification number to usage helps in accurately assessing the value and risk associated with each vehicle. The VINs allow us to check each vehicle's history and specifications, which is crucial for accurate coverage and pricing. Make, model, and year details help us evaluate the vehicle's value and the associated risk levels. The mileage indicates how much the vehicle is used, which can impact the wear and potential for accidents. Whether your vehicles are owned, leased, or financed affects your coverage options and requirements. Different uses carry different risk. Delivery vehicles face different challenges than executive cars. Where your vehicles are parked and garaged when not in use can affect the risk of theft or vandalism. Any customization can increase a vehicle's value and might require additional coverage. The ages and driver's license numbers and driving histories of all of your drivers allow us to evaluate the risk that they bring to the table. It's about understanding who's behind the wheel and their driving behavior, which directly affects your insurance rates. Lastly, understanding your current coverage and specific needs ensures that we provide a policy that truly protects your business. Your current policy declaration page information helps us see what you're currently covered for and where you might need more protection. Telling us what coverage you're looking for also ensures you don't pay for what you don't need, while still protecting your assets. Your preferences for deductibles can affect your premium and out-of-pocket costs in the event of a claim. At Vermost Insurance Agency, we're committed to providing you with coverage that meets your unique needs of your business. Understanding why we need each piece of information helps us better protect what matters most to you. Ready to get started or have more questions? Give one of our trusted insurance advisors a call today at 727-748-2886. Now let's navigate the road ahead together.